back with a short wash day tutorial both for my own hair and for my wig. So please do forgive the wretchedness. I've already started loosening up my hair on the one side just to make sure that this tutorial doesn't take too long. And yeah, I haven't washed my hair for 2 weeks. That is normally the longest I go without washing my hair. I normally recommend washing your own hair as well as your wig at least once a week. But I do know that life gets busy, which was the case with me, and I didn't really have time to wash my hair, so I've kept these braids in for like 2 whole weeks, and yeah, they look wretched. I don't need to say anything else. Yeah, and I recommend washing your wig, especially in your own hair, at least once a week, because sometimes I hear people complaining about how their wig has lost its shine or it's tangling or whatever, and sometimes it's really just a build-up of dirt. Yeah, just wash it. Some people treat their wigs like it's supposed to just stay clean forever. No, you do need to wash it, and the more you wash it, the more it goes back to its beautiful natural state. So I totally recommend washing your wig and your own hair at least once a week. I mean, it is just a hygiene, right? So yeah, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys the treatment that I normally do on my hair in white, and I'll also be showing you guys just how I wash my wig. I'm going to finish loosening up this side of my hair. Done, and I do not even attempt to comb my hair without a little help, because my hair is very dry, brittle, tangly. I don't even know, but if I want a really good headache, I would go ahead and comb it without detangling, but I'm not trying to get a headache. So I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie Instant Detangling Therapy. So I put a little bit of this, and I spray my hair with a little bit of water as well, just to make it easy to comb through before I put in the treatment. You can find this product at Clicks. It smells good too, so pretty pleasant. Okay, so now that I've combed through my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put this homemade treatment that I've made. It is a avocado and coconut oil mixture. Those are really the only 2 ingredients I put in my hair, because my hair tends to get really dry. So the coconut oil helps to nourish it and, you know, just moisturize it. And avocado is just good for all the essential oils that it has. So I do this, when you do this at home, you need to try and keep the mixture a bit hot, because the coconut oil does tend to get cold and hard, and then you can't really use the mixture anymore. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my wig. So when washing your wig, make sure you wash it in a downward motion, going down that way, like that. Okay, do not go ahead and do this while washing it. It's gonna tangle, and then it's gonna be harder for you to style the hair afterwards. So just in downward motion, go that way down, and this goes for every week that you wash. Okay? I want to wash the inside of the lace just to also remove any makeup build up. Yeah, anything you might have applied to make the wig blend in. And you just want to comb the hair with like a wide tooth comb. This is just to make sure that there's no tangles, and that when your hair dries, it will kind of dry without any tangling. Okay, you can just allow the hair to dry overnight, and by tomorrow it's going to be nice and fresh and have all of its shine back. Okay guys, so I've washed my own hair out now, and I'm now going to apply a moisturizer to it. And I normally use the Cantu moisturizer, daily oil moisturizer. This also just helps me comb out my hair once it's washed, because it can shrink and tangle again. Now what I normally do is, if I need to wear my wig again the next day, I'm going to braid down my hair before it gets dry, because it's just easier for me to do it when it's wet. But if I'm not going anywhere, I don't need my wig the next day, I'll usually just make 4 big buns and allow my hair to just rest and breathe for like a day or 2. I do have a video on how I braid my hair down for my wig and how I sort of wear my wig, so click on the link above if you want to watch that. Otherwise, this is the end of our wash day tutorial, and please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. And if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment box below, and I will leave all of the descriptions of the products I've used here today and of how I make the hair mask in the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers!